Hello everybody and welcome back for another video. My name is Courtney and my twin sister Ashley and I share this YouTube channel together. So as you can tell, today's motivation for you is a deep clean of my refrigerator, a restock of things. I'm also going to be cutting up some fruit and storing some stuff in some containers so that way they last a little bit longer than what they have been lately. I don't know if any of you noticed that strawberries and grapes and blueberries only last like 3 days in your fridge, so that is why I have been storing them in containers and stuff like that. I was quickly showing you the overview of how everything looks in there, and the first thing that I'm doing here is, I don't know why I did it this way. Usually I don't, but I'm going in and just grabbing all of the stuff that needs to get discarded, as in old food, empty things, stuff like that. And then I will be taking everything out, putting it on the counters, and then showing you how dirty these shelves and jars, you hear that, guys? Drawers are. So I will stop chit-chatting for now. I will pop in and out when needed. Let's get into decluttering and getting this nasty food out of this fridge. So some of you probably noticed that I did not take anything off of the door shelves, and that's because those were not dirty. You did see that I did look through to see if there was anything that I need to take out or like toss to check, and also check to see if they needed to be wiped down, and they didn't, and there was nothing that needed to be thrown away. So just wanted to throw that out there, that you did see correctly that I did not do the doors. So anyways, I did show you the after shot of everything out. As you can tell, the floating shelves here were not too bad. They just needed a little quick wipe down. The shelves below this definitely need to be cleaned, as in like where I hold my veggies and fruits need to be cleaned out, and where like the milk and stuff like that sits, those were pretty bad. But then I'm also going to take the drawers themselves out, and somehow, some way, underneath those drawers got crumbs and everything underneath there, and I don't know how. And I guess that's just the life of having kids that go in and out of your fridge, and a husband. I'm just kidding, but you know what I mean. So anyways, you did see correctly, I did not do the doors, and you will see more of a mess. So let's get into cleaning this refrigerator out.
Picking up the pieces, 'cause all I received is now being alone. But you never leave me, 'cause I've been deceived and never felt so lost. There's nothing my heart can stop it, bleeding off. Should've
if you guys are wondering what I went in on to clean these drawers, I just used some Dawn dish soap and a sponge, and now I took a dry rag, well, not rag, dishcloth, and I'm wiping it all down, putting it back into the fridge. And then what I used to clean out my fridge was a multi-surface like disinfecting type cleaner from Target. It's the Target brand, and it smells so good. I've never bought it before, but I smelt it in the store and I thought it smelled so good, and honestly I love it. I used it to mop my floors. You're not going to see it in this video, but in the day I used it, and my house smelled so good from that cleaner for a couple of hours. Like, I had left and came back into the house and I could still smell it, and I was like, wow, this stuff works really, really, really good. And it's not even like name brand, but here's an overview of everything all nice and cleaned out, so that way now we can go in and start putting things back, and also cutting up some fruits and veggies.
I feel so strange thinking about you, after all the wrong you've done to me. I can't go on feeling like I do, cause my heart loves you. Don't waste my time, cause someone like me you'll never find. I thought we had a good thing, I was wrong, and now I must move on, yeah. All the time I think of you, holding on to someone new, don't make me lose my mind. Seems like I've been here before, baby, I can't take no more of you trying to play me out, baby. Baby, of you trying to play, of you trying to play, of you trying to play, baby, of you trying to play, of you trying to play, of you trying to play, another love, one that I can trust. With my heart I know she'll never run away. Just can't talk no more, so I'm out the door. Talk to me, why you wanna play that game? I can't take no more of you trying to play me out, baby. Of you, holding on to someone new, don't make me lose my mind. Seems like I've been here before, baby, I can't take no more of you trying to play me out, baby. Of you trying to play, of you trying to play, of you trying to play, baby. Of you trying to play, of you trying to play, of you trying to play, baby.
Alrighty, now that we organized a lot of things in here, like the soda and my soda waters is what I call them, the Capri Suns and the cheese and now the butter, stuff like that is all nice and organized. Everybody can see it and things are finally in their spots. But right after this is when we're going to go in and clean off some strawberries and grapes and get some containers out, so that way, like I said in the beginning, they don't go bad in like a day or two. So if you need to see some, fruit cutting motivation or getting food organized or in containers, then this part is definitely for you. Okay, so we finally reached the end of cutting up and putting away this produce. Now, those tomatoes are from my garden, the big ones and the small ones. I have a variety of different tomatoes, and so is that little bit of green beans. I did toss in one of my cucumbers because one finally came in not looking bright yellow, and I figured, okay, let me chop it up and put it with the store-bought ones. But I tasted mine and it tasted like a chemical. So seeing how they were all coming in bright yellow and stuff like that, I was looking up online and it was saying either underwatering, overwatering, or it did not breed or like crossbreed the correct way. So I'm thinking maybe that one, you know, the color didn't come out right. I mean, the color came in right, but the taste just wasn't there. It tasted like literally like I was pouring a chemical into my mouth, and it was disgusting. But here I'm showing you where I'm packing away everything all nice and organized. This drawer is for like veggie type items, and the one that you just seen before that is for like fruits. So this is going to be so much easier for my kiddos to eat it up. They love when I, you know, organize it this way, cut everything up and ready to go and eat. Sometimes they won't even eat it because they're too lazy to, you know, either cut it or take you off the vine or anything. But anyways, here is a before overview of how my refrigerator looked. And I'm going to do that with a few shots in this video. So anyways, you have reached the end of this video, and I wanted to say thank you so much for choosing my video to watch today. If you made it to the end, you are the real MVP, and we appreciate it so much. Make sure you subscribe so you do not miss on any more content. Give this video a thumbs up if it gave you a little bit of motivation or entertainment, and feel free to share it around if you know somebody that's interested in these types of videos. Anyways, I will see you guys next Saturday. Until next time, guys. Bye.